Hi friends, how are you all? This is very crucial period for each and everyone because of this corona pandemic. So because of this so many industries are going down and many things are going to be very much reduced their efficiency and everything, and this was given a very bad impact on our sector, means education sector also. So we have already found some of the solutions for these things as online teaching and some other things also there. Maybe some other interactive softwares were also available nowadays. So out of these things, so we need to spend some more money on teaching also. So for each and every individual has to spend some amount of money, as we have already got our smartphones maybe few years ago only, but still we need to spend some more amount on maybe triple pads or stylish pens. For these things we need to spend some more amount. So out of these things I have got one very good thing. I obtained one good technology from our friends, and the technology is to get this stylish pen with very low cost with our equipment only, household equipment, so that it can work very well just like our finger only on our mobile. So this video is, I am not going to tell you which software is used to record or which software is used as a blackboard on your mobile. There are so many apps are available, plenty of apps are available in our Android mobile to make them as blackboard or whiteboard or anything, and so many things are also available in our mobile Android. So I don't like to discuss all those apps here, but I have used one app and I like to show you that app only. And maybe screen recording option is very much available in our mobiles also. So I am not going to tell you the screen recording app or these blackboard app or some other apps. I am here to tell you the how to make our stylish pen to make our purpose survived. Okay, that's only my purpose. So let's go ahead with how to make the stylish pen. Yeah, those who don't know what is meant by stylish pen, now I like to explain. Actually this is the blackboard app. So blackboard learn, so many apps are there. So the yes, this is the just like our blackboard. So we can write whatever we like. Maybe I may write like single phase, semi converter. So this is not that much flexible to write as a stylish pen with our finger. So we need to design or we need to purchase our stylish pen so that that can work as a just like pen only. And I want to make the stylish pen with our pencil. So if we write this with the on this, yeah, it was we were unable to write anything on this blackboard. See, you can see this. So that's the problem. So actually we need to understand the concept here. So what exactly is going to happen while writing with our finger. So what exactly happens? So let me delete everything. What exactly happens is there is some current passing from our mobile to the earth through our finger, and in that due course if we move anywhere it will write like this. So this is the exact concept of writing anything on these type of apps by our finger, as current is passing through our body. So the same concept we need to apply, and we need to use the same concept by using this pencil also. As we know that the pencil, it is in graphite, so that is very good conductor, but the outside part is the wood, so that's not the conductor. So how to make it? So to make this part as a conductor, we need to use the aluminum foil, okay, to make this part as conductor. And the black color graphite part is very much rough, and this may not be good to use on our mobile screens. So what we have to do is we need to use some part of cotton, so that we can make it very good. Okay, so how to prepare this? Let us go ahead with this. Yeah, for preparing this I need to use an aluminum foil like this, and I need to use earbud, or we can use directly a cotton. And this earbud, I need to cut it at this part. And I need to put like this. If it is not moving, if it is fixed like this, it's okay. Otherwise you need to use a small part of tape also. Yeah, you can use small part of tape if you really wish to use it. Otherwise no need to use tape also. If you are comfortable with your fixation. If you are not comfortable, you just use the tape and just fix these two things like this. Yes, this is fine. Yeah, so now these two are very good. They are fixed up like this. Now I need to use aluminum foil for this to get the conductivity. So to make it smoother writing, you need to use it. You can cut some portion of it. Just turn this. You can cut it also. If you don't like to use more paper, more aluminum foil, you can cut accordingly. That's it. Yeah, with this you can definitely use it as a thing. See, yeah, it's we are unable to use it as this is the cotton, so cotton is not the conductor. So what we need to do is that we need to use some water for this, so that you can make it as a conductor. Yeah, I have drops of water here, so I can do like this. So no need to touch much, but still you can use better. Yeah. Now you can see, yeah, how it will be. Now we can write the same part here. Single phase semi converter. If this is a tablet, you can use it better than this, as the space is more, so you can happily write it and you can happily draw the figures also. And as the tip is very light, you can go ahead with. That means if you want to make it very thinner, then your tip should be very thin. Yes, like this. Yes. So this is the advantage of the technology. And see, this is but your finger always touch the aluminum foil, so that the current is passing through your body. otherwise you won't get this type of thing. And if you are unable to write anything, then what you have to do, you need to go to, if you are not in a position to write things, then you need to touch this tip with small droplets of water, so that you will get conductivity again. Okay, this is the beauty of this part. You can change the colors also. Okay, that depends upon you can change the colors, that depends upon the app. So we have so many apps, so no need of worrying about the apps and writing part. But this is the technology we can use. If this tip is very sharp, then you will get very sharp and thin lines, so that you can use small space with much effectivity and much clarity. Otherwise you can go ahead with the tablet, that will be better compared to this. Okay, thank you so much for watching this, and I hope you will enjoy the online teaching by using this tip. Thank you so much.